Have you ever held in a sneeze just to avoid the noise? Sounds harmless, right? But what if I told you it's kind of dangerous? When you stop a sneeze, that pressure doesn't disappear. It gets trapped and shoots back into your face like a mini explosion. Over time, this can burst blood vessels, mess with your sinuses, or even damage your ears, all because you didn't want to sneeze. So next time, don't hold it in like a champ. Turn away, let it out, and sneeze proud. Your body's built for it. Wait, is that true? Subscribe for more hidden facts.